Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday today and it's currently I think 11 a.m. I had a little bit of a sleep in this morning and then I went to a gym class and now I'm home. I've showered, I've had breakfast, gotten ready, and my little brother is going to be here any minute and we're going to go shopping together, which I'm really excited about. We used to go shopping together all the time when I lived at home and I just miss it a lot, and he's just like my favorite shopping companion. I really hate going shopping or just in public alone. That probably sounds so stupid, but I just get very anxious when I'm in public alone, and clothes shopping is like really tough for me. I just really don't enjoy it that much. But also going clothes shopping with other people, I'm scared of their opinions on what I'm trying on, so I like going with my little brother because he's just the best. He's gonna be here any second, but I thought I would quickly show you my outfit because I kind of like it. I have on this cropped black sweatshirt from Kmart from the men's section, but I just cropped it myself and I've just tucked in the front bit a little bit. I have on this belt from Dottie and then this denim skirt from Kmart, and then I just have my white connies on because it's kind of hot outside, but also I want to wear a jumper. So this is the fit. So let's go get some coffee and then go shopping. Woohoo! A bunch of stuff to try on. Let's do this. Thank you so much. See ya, you too. So we've had a really successful shopping trip so far. I've got Skay's present, I've got Izzy's present, and I bought some coat hangers, which is very exciting. But now Alex is trying on some clothes. That's great. Oh, H&M has some really cute colored hoodies and sweatshirts at the moment, and sweatshirts like $15. I would totally buy every single color because I love sweatshirts, like this one I'm wearing right now, but in so many cute colors. But it's spring now, it's only gonna get hotter from here, so I'm refraining myself. But if you're wondering, very cute ones at H&M. Your legs are so skinny. Why don't I get that? I love the hoodie though. Hoodie looks sick, especially with your blue eyes. So it is currently like 7 p.m. Also, just realized I didn't give you a haul from when I went shopping today, but that is because it was a quite boring haul. It's my friends Izzy and Skay's birthday on the 15th of this month, so I went and got both of their presents today, which I can't show you because they'll see it in the vlog. I also bought some new coat hangers because I needed some more. I bought some new soccer shorts for a 6-a-side comp that I've signed up for, and that is literally it. So yeah, but now it's 7 p.m. and I'm just waiting for Skay to come home and we're gonna go grocery shopping because I'm a child and can't go grocery shopping by myself. So I'm waiting for Skay to come home and then we're gonna go together. That's about all that is happening right now. Also, Rachel and I just made a ginormous order on Cotton On. We've been wanting to do this for so long and I'm just so excited. We're gonna do a haul together, like both sitting down and just showing you what we got. I'm so excited about it. I don't know, I just am so happy to finally buy clothes that I have never been confident enough to buy and wear. Like I have some shorts, I have some tops that I like never thought I could ever wear, but I can wear whatever I want. So I'm very excited about that. That's going to be coming in the next couple of days. But yeah, that's what I have done tonight. So yeah, I'll bring you along grocery shopping, obviously. And then hopefully if I get enough time tonight, I'm also going to meal prep what I buy when I go grocery shopping. So I'm not like too tired. I feel like pretty good. So I might do that tonight. What a rage of a Monday. Hello. Welcome back. Good checking. Appreciate that. First of all, didn't get a little shot. Very disappointed about it. I got some wraps. I got some chili rice crackers because duh. I bought some coconut milk, sauteed chicken and chicken. My meal prep this week and my meal prep last week and probably the week before that because I'm obsessed with sauteed chicken. I got some baking powder because I want to make cupcakes this week. I also bought some Halo Top ice cream. This is the sea salt caramel flavor and it is literally the best thing ever. I don't know if it's all in my head, but it just tastes so much better knowing that it's only 320 calories for the whole tub. But it tastes so good. It's so hard to not eat this all at once because it's so little, but it's so yum. And then I also just got some more dishwashing liquid because we need to wash our dishes and squat out. I also got some juice. I got apple and I got apple and blackcurrant. I got some mayo because I've been loving sweet potato fries recently and I'm running out of mayo, so I picked up some more. And I also got some vanilla essence again for my cupcakes, and I also just got some more eggs. And last but not least, I got some bread. My last loaf of bread lasted me 3 weeks. That is crazy. Very proud of myself. And that is all. I'm now going to meal prep. Good morning, it is Tuesday and it is currently almost 7 a.m. and Jane is on her way over here now and we're gonna go for a run. This morning we're gonna try and run a bit further than we have been running and I'm very excited to set a new goal and smash it. Very excited for Jane and I. But after the run I'm gonna shower, get ready, do some editing, and then I have work from 1 until 6. And then I think I have family dinner after work. That is my Tuesday today. Rachel and I made a massive order on Cotton On. What did you buy? I bought some shirts, like tops, not t-shirts. Tops. Good morning, it is Wednesday today and it is almost 7 a.m. and I'm just about to head off to work. I only have a really quick shift today, 7:30 to 12:30, so really excited about it. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing for the rest of the day. I have nothing planned. I think I have a package coming when I come home. I'll go to a gym class at 4:30, but apart from that, literally nothing planned. So yeah, I'm gonna head off to work. I don't know why I updated you because there's nothing to update you on, but I just thought I would check in anyway. I'm gonna go to work and I'll talk to you later. I have finished work for the day and that is just great. So let's do a car jam. He used to meet me on the east side in the city where the sun goes tonight. We can go anywhere we want, drive down to the coast. We can do anything if we put our mind to it.
And he said age is just a number, just like any other. We can do whatever you want, do whatever he wants.
You guys are probably so sick of hearing this song, but I'm obsessed!
Unusual for me, I know, but please go ahead. I don't wanna be the blinking rabbit to your will to be. And you're standing on the edge, face up, cause you're a natural. I beat it hard.
Oh my goodness, I love this song so much.
Damn, I've been working real hard on myself and my health and my happiness. Hit pause in my life, third time my mind been working less. Okay, I'm making myself ahead. I'm making myself ahead. I'm treating myself.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
It is now a bit later on and I've just been chilling since I got home from work. But Rachel and I have a ginormous package that got delivered today. We made a massive order on Cotton On. A big order, like a big order so much that it came in a box.
Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box.
Just full of clothes. No shoes, no nothing, just clothes.
It's like
I mean, it's for 2 people, but still quite a lot. So we're gonna sit down and film a haul together, which is great.
Have we ever done that before?
I don't think so.
That's so much fun. I remember when we used to do this.
Yeah,
all the
like
time.
Ava and Sierra and
We
Meredith.
get like Black Friday hauls
Yeah.
and stuff, and then all like show a few
on
different
each
things
channel.
on each channel.
Yeah. Wow, living our childhood dreams.
Literally.
That's what we're gonna do. Hello, long time no chat. It is currently Thursday and it is 10:30 a.m. and I've had a super productive morning. I'm really happy with everything I've gotten done. I got up at 6:30ish and I went for a run with Jane and we ran a bit further than we have been running recently, and it just feels good to like increase what you're doing and like get better at it and faster at it, and it's just like great. Came home, I had breakfast and then I had a shower and now I've just sat down and I've been editing ever since, and I'm just trying to finish off this video Rachel and I filmed together. The haul we filmed yesterday, I've almost finished editing that and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I think it's so funny, but I don't know if I think it's funny just because I think Rachel and I are so funny, but so many people probably think it's so lame, but like what are you gonna do? So that's what I've been working on this morning, but I have work from 1 until 9:30 tonight. I'm actually doing my first manager close tonight. I'm actually really pumped for it, to be honest. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm pretty pumped for it. Like I'm just excited to do it. For so long I've been so scared to like actually run the store by myself, but it's just so great. I love it. I just am really pumped to do it and hopefully I do okay. But yeah, that is basically my day. I'm working 1 till 9:30 and then that is it. Just doing a live on the Insta. But I'm leaving now, so everyone's saying goodbye. I love you all so much. Thanks for joining me. Have a great night. Love you all. Goodbye. Oh no, it's still going. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing. Okay, bye. 583 viewers. Oh my goodness, a lot of people. I haven't chatted to you in a little bit. It's now Friday and it's currently 8:30 at night, and I had work all day, 10 till 6, and I did Instagram live, as you just saw. It was really good, really great time. I just like wanted to hang out with my friends, but now I'm actually going to watch a Netflix movie called Sierra Burgess is a Loser. It has a few actors in it that I really, really love, and it came out on Netflix today, and so I'm gonna watch it. I'll give you my thoughts quickly before I go to bed. But yeah, that's how my crazy wild Friday night's going. Good morning, friends. It's Saturday morning and it is currently 6:30 a.m. and it's raining outside and I'm really sad about it. I woke up this morning feeling so sick. I don't know, my head just feels so like clogged. I have the biggest headache, so I'm gonna take some Nurofen with my breakfast. I don't even know why. Probably because I literally cried myself to sleep last night after watching Sierra Burgess is a Loser. I forgot to update you about it last night, but oh my goodness, it was such a good movie. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend. You need to go watch it, especially if you're a bigger girl. Like wow, you need to go watch it. Wow, I didn't like cry myself to sleep because I was sad, but I just like was in a crying mood. So anyway, it's 6:30 and I have work at 7:30, so I need to eat my breakfast and get going. The reason I'm sad that it is raining is because it's a Saturday, so work is going to be busy, but raining on a Saturday, we're gonna get absolutely hammered and I'm just not keen. I'm not ready for it. I don't know, I'm just throwing myself a pity party right now, living my life to the fullest. Hello friends, music is very loud. I haven't spoken to you since like before work this morning. It's now like 6:30 and Alex and I are at the movies and we're gonna see A Simple Favor. We wanted to see The Darkest Minds and then that was full, and then we're like, oh, we'll see Crazy Rich Asians, then that was also full. So now we're seeing A Simple Favor, but I'm actually really excited about it. It has Blake Lively in it and I love Blake Lively. Do you have anything to say? I like your outfit. We have a burger and chips and I'm so excited about it. Good. Oh, it's not even focused at all. Good morning. It is Sunday today and Izzy just came home from night shift and was like, I want bakery food, and Rachel and I are like, okay, let's go. So that's what we're doing.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning.
Woohoo!
I definitely have donuts with fresh cream. Potato pie. I know. The shepherd's pie. Potato pie. I mean, no, shepherd's pie has potatoes. Can I have a ham and cheese sausage roll? Could I grab one of those, please? And a caramel slice, please. Oh! I love bacon and cheese sausage rolls.
Yes. Yeah. Very delicious.
This is way too good.
Do you know this one? Yeah.
Decker. What's that we do? Breakfast.
You doing it again? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You know what is incorrect? You eat vanilla slice with a knife.
How do you expect me to eat this double decker big boy? Do they have to fit that in my mouth? No.
Oh my gosh, talking about things in your mouth. That big fat mouth of hers. And then everyone was like, oh.
We should totally do like a squad bakery mukbang one time. We could go to the bakery on your birthday if you want. I'm gonna bakery breakfast.
It is 8:30 at night and my camera died earlier this morning. I was really like pumped to vlog today because I hadn't like fully actually vlogged what I was doing all day, all week, because all I've been saying is I'm going to work, I'm home from work, I'm going to work, I'm home from work. So I apologize about that, but my camera died this morning, so now I'm here ending off the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you all in my next video in the very near future. Bye.